Today, we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5, the headphones redefining how you experience sound with unmatched noise cancellation. Imagine silencing the world around you. Busy commutes, open offices, even airplane engines with just a tap. The XM5s deliver an immersive listening experience like no other, truly setting them apart. And you can do this for an incredible 30 hours on a single charge, meaning your soundtrack never stops, whether you're traveling or just enjoying music all day. Seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop with multi-point connection, making productivity and entertainment effortlessly fluid. These aren't just headphones, they're an escape, offering premium comfort and crystal clear calls thanks to their advanced audio processing. If you're looking to upgrade your audio experience, these are a game changer. Find the best deals and grab your pair via the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone serious about superior sound and ultimate tranquility, the Sony WH-1000XM5s are absolutely the best wireless headphones you can buy right now. Don't miss out on what many consider the top electronics product of 2025.